Hi boys and girls, I'm back. We're going to talk about Lesson 9, Subtract on a 10 frame. It goes with pages GR 19 and 20. So just to review, this is a 10 frame. It has 10 empty squares. When all the squares are empty, we have 0. If all the squares are filled, like this, we have 10. And we can use 10 frames to help us count, add, and subtract. So right now I have 10 circles on my 10 frame. I'm going to write 10. If I take 3 of these off, I'm going to show that by crossing them off, but you can erase them. We're subtracting. We use the minus sign. I'm going to write 3. And then I can count and see that I'm left with 7. So today you're going to be using 10 frames to help you subtract. Remember, subtract is when we take away or break apart. You can either draw circles on your 10 frame or you can put things on your 10 frame, like pennies or beans or little circles or beads, whatever you have. It's your choice. We're always going to fill our 10 frame up. So up here in my example, I have 10 circles in my 10 frame. I'm going to trace the number 10 and my minus sign. 4 of them are crossed off. I'm going to trace the number 4. And I'm left with 6. For the rest of your lesson, other than number 1, you get to decide how many circles you want to take away. The rules are you have to start with 10. So you're always going to draw 10 circles. And then you're either going to take things away or cross the circles off. You cannot use numbers that's already been used. So here I have 10 minus 4. I can't take 4 away again. I have to pick something different. This time I'm going to take 5 away. And I'm going to show that they're being taken away by crossing them off. And I'm going to write 5 because I crossed off 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here's another example. Again, I'm going to start with 10. This time, I think I'm going to take away 6. So I'm going to write the number 6 here. And I'm going to cross off 6. You can either cross them off individually or in a group. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4 circles on my 10 frame. I have a few more examples on my back. So again, I've taken away 4 and 5 and 6. So this time, I have to take away different numbers. So I'm going to draw my 10. And this time, I think I'm going to take away 0. So I'm going to write 0. If I have 0 here, 10 take away 0, I'm not going to cross any off, and I'm left with 10. And one final one. I'm going to draw 10. This time I'm going to take away all 10. When I take away all 10, I'm left with 0. So 10 minus 10 is 0. Again, this goes with pages 19 and 20. And if you have any questions, I'm always available to help. I hope everyone is doing well and on behaving for their family and staying healthy. I miss you guys, and I will see you soon.